Omron blood pressure monitors are essential for home health monitoring, but errors like E1, E2, and E3 can occur. These errors usually have simple fixes. E1 indicates inflation issues, E2 deflation problems, and E3 irregular pulse or movement detection. Addressing these promptly ensures accurate readings. An E1 error indicates that the cuff is not inflating properly during blood pressure measurement. First, check the cuff and tubing for any leaks or damage. If you find any issues, replace the components. Ensure you're using fresh alkaline AA batteries, as low battery power can prevent proper inflation. If needed, try manually re-inflating the cuff to get it working again. Finally, consider calibrating your device using the reset function or Omron's app for optimal performance. The E2 error on your Omron blood pressure monitor indicates a deflation problem. This occurs when the cuff fails to deflate properly after inflation. First, inspect the deflation valve for any blockages. The valve controls air release during deflation. Gently clean the deflation valve with a soft, dry cloth to remove any dust or debris. Ensure the cuff is not twisted around your arm, as this can interfere with proper deflation. Position your arm at heart level during measurement. Incorrect arm position can cause deflation issues. Finally, replace the batteries if they are low. Low power can prevent the monitor from deflating correctly. An E3 error on your Omron blood pressure monitor typically signals an irregular heartbeat, excessive arm movement during measurement, or an improperly fitted cuff. The error often results from an irregular heartbeat, such as atrial fibrillation, which the monitor detects as inconsistent pulse waves. The cuff must fit properly, not too short or loose. Position it correctly with the bladder centered over your brachial artery. During the measurement, remain completely still. Sit comfortably with your arms supported at heart level, palm facing up, and avoid any movement or talking. If the E3 error continues despite correct cuff placement and stillness, it may indicate an underlying heart condition requiring medical attention. Regular maintenance ensures accurate blood pressure readings. Clean the cuff monthly with a damp cloth, avoiding harsh soaps that could corrode the sensors. Replace the batteries every 6 to 12 months to ensure consistent voltage levels, which are crucial for proper inflation and deflation. Store your blood pressure monitor in a cool, dry environment to avoid warping of components from heat or moisture. If possible, calibrate your monitor annually against a mercury sphygmomanometer for accuracy, or use Omron's online calibration tool to ensure reliable readings. Following these essential maintenance tips will help your Omron blood pressure monitor deliver consistent and accurate readings over time. To ensure reliable readings, take your blood pressure at the same time each day. Establishing a consistent routine, such as in the morning or evening, helps provide accurate comparisons over time. Rest for at least 5 minutes before taking a measurement. Sit quietly in a comfortable position to allow your blood pressure to return to its normal resting level. Support your arm at heart level using a table or cushion if needed. This ensures accurate readings by keeping the cuff at the same level as your heart. Also, keep your feet flat on the floor. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and smoking for at least 30 minutes beforehand. These substances can temporarily elevate your blood pressure, leading to inaccurate readings. Consistent technique minimizes error. By following these steps every time you measure, you'll get more reliable and comparable blood pressure readings. Keep your Omron BP monitor's firmware updated through the Omron Connect app. These updates often include improved sensor calibration and error diagnostics. Newer models sync with AI-driven health platforms like Apple Health or Google Fit. This allows you to log errors and receive real-time troubleshooting suggestions. This is particularly important for the Platinum series, such as the BP 7350. While most E1, E2, and E3 errors can be resolved with simple troubleshooting, persistent errors or concerns about your blood pressure readings warrant a visit to your healthcare provider. The E3 error, in particular, may indicate an underlying heart condition that requires medical evaluation. Never rely solely on home monitoring for diagnosing or managing health conditions.